Now we're going to cover how you can hide or show the icons in your viewport. So if you look, we can see that there is a bunch of these icons that are different objects, things like light sources or atmospheric fogs. So usually in Unreal Engine, you will have these icons representing things like particles, lights, and stuff like that. So sometimes it can get cluttered. So what we can do is if we click, let's actually decrease the content browser, and if you click G on the keyboard, we can basically make it disappear. And you can see also our arrows that represent moving the object in space also disappear. And this is a nice way to kind of more easily visualize your scene without all the clutter. And now if you click on an object, you can see that these arrows appear and we can focus only on that object. Now if we click F, we'll focus on the object and we can use Alt left click to scroll around. Now there is another way to hide or show your icon, and that's going here in the viewport options and finding the game view. So you can see that there is a shortcut G here, and if you click on the game view, everything appears. Click again, disappears, and you can see these lines, these grid lines also disappear. So it effectively tries to hide any clutter except meshes and kind of physical things that will be seen in the game. So all the arrows, grid lines, and the icons.